Welcome to Colombo, the capital of Sri Lanka. It's a coastal city located on the western side of a small island nation just south of India. Even though the country is small, it's full of interesting history, diverse culture, and great food. When you arrive in Colombo, you'll notice a mix of modern buildings and historic landmarks. The city blends old temples, colonial-era architecture, busy local markets, and quiet spots by the ocean. It has a long and diverse history, shaped by rulers, traders, and people from different parts of the world. Colombo has many religions living together. You'll find temples, mosques, and churches all around the city. People from different faiths live side by side peacefully, and this mix makes the city's culture and look very rich and interesting. We start our journey by the ocean at Galiface Green, a large open area with grass right next to the sea. It's a popular spot where families come to relax, fly kites, and let their kids run around. The sea breeze and open space make it a great place for locals and visitors to unwind, enjoy the view, and take a break from the busy city. Sudden rain is common in Colombo. One moment the sky is clear and the next it's pouring. Locals are used to these quick weather changes, so daily life doesn't slow down. Tuk-tuks are everywhere in Colombo. These small three-wheel vehicles move quickly through traffic, often fitting into tight spaces between cars and buses. The drivers know all the shortcuts and seem to communicate with just a few honks. It might look a bit chaotic, but it works, and riding in one can be a fun experience. Right when the city feels the busiest, you might come across the Dutch hospital area. Despite the name, it's not a hospital now. It's one of the oldest buildings in Colombo, originally built by the Dutch in the 1600s during colonial times. Today, it's been turned into a lively place with cafes, shops, and outdoor seating. Nearby is the old Parliament building. It's a large, impressive building that faces the ocean like a watchful guard. For many years, it was where important government decisions were made. Today, it stands as a quiet reminder of Sri Lanka's journey since becoming independent in 1948. Follow your nose and you'll reach Pettah Market. It's full of street vendors, colorful fruit piles, spices in the air, and the noise of tuk-tuks and motorbikes in narrow alleys. Above all the noise stands the Jami Ulfar Mosque, striped red and white like a candy cane. Built over 100 years ago, it's one of the city's most unique and loved buildings. Further away, the Lotus Tower rises high into the sky at 350 meters, making it the tallest tower in South Asia. It's shaped like a lotus flower. At night, it lights up with colorful neon lights and offers views of the city and the ocean. From the top, Colombo looks calm and wide. Sometimes the best spots are calm and low-key. Beira Lake is right in the middle of the city, surrounded by trees, temples, and swan boats you can ride. The water is green, the air feels fresh, and everything seems to move a bit slower. It's a great place to sit and watch the world go by. On Barra Lake, you'll find Malacca Temple. It's simple and quiet, built right over the water. The temple feels calm and peaceful, like a place for meditation. You can hear birds, bells, and the wind. It's a spot that makes you feel small in a good way. Just a short walk away is Gangaramaya Temple. It's full of energy and surprises. This place is a temple, a museum, and a collection of treasures all at once. You'll find golden Buddha statues, old cars, ancient coins, and statues from far-off countries. It's more than just a religious site, it's a living history of culture. Walk a bit further and you'll find Independence Square. This is where Sri Lanka celebrated gaining freedom from British rule. The place has tall stone columns and wide steps with a flag waving proudly in the wind. It's a calm spot where people come to relax, and it reminds country's journey to freedom. For a look at everyday life, visit Vihara Mahadevi Park. It's the biggest green space in Colombo, full of tall trees and colorful flowers, with a golden Buddha statue watching over the park. You'll see kids playing, teens taking selfies, and grandparents resting on benches. It feels calm and welcoming, like the city's heart on a sunny day. End your walk at the Colombo National Museum. This beautiful old white building has been telling stories since 1877. Inside, you'll see swords from ancient kings, royal thrones, festival masks, and paintings showing life from hundreds of years ago. It's a great way to understand Colombo's long history and how much it has changed. Colombo is a city full of history, culture, and everyday life all mixed together. From busy markets to peaceful temples, from tall towers to quiet parks, it shows a side of Sri Lanka that's both old and new. Thanks for exploring with me. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travels like this.